Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. Today is my final day for the collaboration. I'm so excited to show you guys the flip through. We're going to add in these tags. Now there are a few more days left to the collaboration, so be sure you check out the description box below to see who else is going to be showing up this week for our collaboration and check out their fun creations. So these are the tags that I made not long ago on a live. My live with Jovi had technical issues, and then so later that day I went ahead and went live to show the tags I was supposed to make with her. So I made some of them live on my channel and then showed the ones I created that morning. So cute. I love how they came out. So we're going to be adding those into the journal. This is the composition notebook. It wound up being a little bit chunky. Get a close up on just some layering. I did some different trims here, some sheer ones, and then some rickrack. Did some collaging. We have a little ghosty, the word haunted. I put some glitter, one of my little Halloween flowers, some roses, a puffy heart, just some little things in the back. I have some tickets, just to layer up some items. I have to glue that little. Let me do that now while I'm thinking about it. Come on, glue. I just need a little bit. There we go. Don't want that to come up and rip. Okay. So here is the inside. Right here I put a pocket, not a pocket. Well, it could be, it's like a fold down envelope that is a pocket. And this was made out of a magazine, and I just put a little Velcro tab there. And then you could stick a little picture here, and I just layered up something cute right there. This is one of the images from the collection. Then here I had repurposed some paper I had came in. This is like the packaging for it. So it just flips up, you could write in it, you could put a photo on it. I thought it was really pretty and just matched like the Gothic theme. And I had been saving it to use for something. So I thought, why not put it in this one? It worked really perfect right there. Did some stenciling. Here we have our first big pocket. And I just decorated it with a few items. Collage some papers from the collection here. Let's see, maybe we could put one of our big tags in here. That works. We have a little tuck pocket here, the raven, and I love that cat image. We have a little skeleton pocket. I did some stenciling, some stamping. And you could write, put photos. Maybe we'll stick a little coffin one in there. Will it fit? It should fit. There we go. I think this is going to make it extra chunky with that little bow right there. You could do some writing here. A little pocket I made out of junk mail envelopes, and then just layered some paper on top and fussy cut out some pieces from the collection. I really love how that pocket came out. I think it's so pretty. And then some of the stenciling we did. This beautiful image. I went ahead and added one of my little teacups here with the journaling ephemera. You have the raven. I did some stamping on the back of these. And we did the stenciling together. And these just sit in the little teacup. like so. Love that idea. I got from Angela at the Traveling Crafter. Oops, so we need a little more glue here. But I love the stamping on this page with this house image. We have some cobwebs, spider webs up top with some little bats. And then down here we did the rest in peace. Did like a little graveyard scene with die cuts and then some stamping to make it look like it was kind of like a little graveyard out in front of her house. Do some journaling back here. We have another pocket. And in this one, I have one of the tags I have made for Ephemera Madness. The little pocket with the pull-out tabs. So cute. I love that in this pocket. We have this page. I added the Happy Halloween with some stenciling. We have another page of some stamping with another junk mail envelope that was decorated. That's so cute. I wonder if this would fit here. Oh, they do. That's perfect. Love that. This is one of my favorite pages. Did some ripping up here, some inking, stamping, some little stamps and bats around. I did, oh yeah, a little die cut here of these little candles melting on top of the pumpkin. And then I put one of the little spooky ghosts up here. It's all glittery. Very fun. I was gifted, I forgot who this came from. They were gifted to me a while back, so I decided to use these in here. I thought it'd go perfect. We could stick one of our pockets, one of our tags here. Love this. My Happy Haunting didn't come out too well, but it's okay. We journal around it. One of my little embellishments I had made about a month ago. Did some stamping. Did some light stamping here and inking around the image with a little bat. Another pocket. Oh, this is the middle. So in the middle I had made double pockets. Oh, let's see, I'm out of my, I should have made more bigger tags. I thought I had more big ones. No. Well, then you can add whatever you want in here into these pockets. I'm going to be putting this on my Ko-fi shop. So here we have another one of the teacups. I'll put one of these embossed hearts in black. Just a little journaling. And just some fun little items. These have stamping on the back to write on. Some more stamping, and I did some inking around. Can y'all see that? Is it picking it up? Plenty of space in here to journal, to write, to add photos. Here's another one of the pockets. Let's add maybe this one. No, that's going to be hard to get out. We can stick this one up here. Love this stenciling here. That pattern is so pretty. We have another pocket. I just added one of the images on and collaged. This one I put a little pocket, and this is a little envelope. Another page with the stenciling. We have some more inking here. I have like just plain page with this beautiful butterfly in a frame. We have more grungy page with some cobwebs, spider webs. Oh, this pocket I glued on, and you just pull it out. Another one of these I made for my Ephemera Madness. It just slips back in. Really cute. Did some more stamping. And then this is the back cover. I put a little pocket here in front of this house page that I just ripped up. Put the little Gothic girl on there, and then I just splattered a little card on the back. Did some inking. Okay, so we still have a few cards. Oh, you know what? I forgot to cover that up. Oh, I think I'm going to just put that on the back. Because I was going to leave the back black and white since it goes with the Gothic Girls thing. But I did want to cover this up and I totally forgot. But we're just going to add this tag here. I think that looks cute. And then maybe I'll come back later before I put it on my Ko-fi shop and I'll put like a made by Scrapbooks and Memories right here somewhere. Okay. Let's find a spot. Okay, we could put this here. And then I have this little tiny one. And just stick her, have her like poking out right there. Oh no, I know where. I forgot this was a little pocket. And stick her there. Love that. And then, I don't know, I might get something to close it with, or I might not. I think I'm just going to leave it like it is. I love how it came out. It's not super chunky, but it's chunky enough for those who like chunky journals. And once you add more of your own personal touches and things to it, I'm sure it'll chunk up a little bit more, probably about to like there. So thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you have been enjoying this collaboration. Thank you so much for watching me make this journal from the beginning to the end. I really appreciate it, and I've been enjoying all the comments that you guys are inspired to alter a composition notebook. They're so fun and so easy to do. Sky's the limit. You don't have to create, from a base, so it's so much easier to work with and just start creating. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.